Electric currents and circuits, chapter 11. After high demand, I have made such type of videos. Electricity. All are aware about electricity. Electricity, you should know. Here, in this case, this bulb is attached with this battery. It means this battery provides electricity so that this bulb will glow. Okay. Now next thing here, do you know some sea creatures like the electrical cell eel can produce significant amounts of electricity. Our biological actions are also linked with electricity in one way or the other. Different energy sources that we use to generate electricity can be renewable or non-renewable. Okay, renewable and non-renewable. Electric cells. Here you are seeing torch. Electric cells, these are cell, and combination of cell is a battery. Okay, here sometime this figure may be asked in the examination. An answer of E first. It has three main parts: an electric bulb, an electric cell, or a combination of electric cells, and an element for housing them. On off switch. When we press the switch of an electric board torch, electricity starts flowing from the electric cells to the electric bulb. This flow is through the thin metallic strips which act as the connecting wires. This flow of electric current heats up the filament of the bulb. The bulb therefore lights up. Here this is the answer of E1. Okay, do you know? The electric bulb in a torch is kept at the focus of a concave mirror. Okay, here concave mirror use. This acts as a reflector, sends out the light as a parallel beam. The part of the bulb's light that would have gone back and go to wasted otherwise thus becomes available to us. Okay. Here sometime this figure may asked: metal cap, ammonium chloride, magnesium dioxide, carbon rod, zinc case negative. This is zinc case negative and metal cap that is positive. An electric cell. Okay, fruit cell also. Okay, electric bulb, battery, button cells. Do you know the inner ear of mammals including humans contains a natural battery? In hearing this natural battery changes the vibration of eardrum caused by the sound signals into electrical signals. These electrical signals then travel to the brain which interprets them as sound. Here, do you know once again the kind of electric cells used in torches, electric toys, etc. stop producing electricity once their chemicals used gets used. They have to be then replaced by new ones. These cells are called primary cells. Car, scooter, batteries which are rechargeable, that is they can be used again and again through regular periodic recharging. They are known as secondary cells or accumulators. Electric bulb, here filament. You know this is filament. And who has discovered electric bulb? Edison, Thomas Alva Edison. And do you know the inside of electric bulb is filled with an inert gas like argon or nitrogen. Which type of gas is filled in the bulb? Argon or nitrogen. This helps to save the filament from burning out in the oxygen that is present in normal air. This filled up inert gas also saves the bulb from collapsing under the atmospheric pressure. LED, you know this thing. CFL also. Electric current, direction of current. Here positive to negative. Direction of current, conventionally we say that direction of current is plus to negative. Okay. Electric circuit. Here try to know what is the definition of electricity. A complete path through which an electric current can flow is called an electric circuit. Here you are seeing some arrangement is given. Open circuit, switch is off. In this case this will be open circuit, and closed switch is on. Electric switch, you should know this thing. You are already knowing this thing about electric switch. Use of symbols in electric circuits. Cell, here cell, the long, here you are saying long line, this is plus, and short line, this is negative. Okay. Battery, Here combination of two cells. Connecting wire simply line. Bulb lamp, here you are seeing. Electric switch off position. Here it is not touching, so this is in the off position. While touching, this is in the on position. Conductors and insulator, very simple thing. Conductors are materials through which electricity will pass. Practically all metals are good conductors of electricity. Graphite is also a conductor of electricity. Okay. Exception, this is exception. Insulator through which electricity will not pass. It is better to safe than sorry. Here it is better to be safe than sorry. Here I want to say some precaution regarding electricity. Here if you are doing any work of electricity, then you should measure some precaution. Okay, then you should do any type of work of electricity. Now question answer. Filament to current, electric switch, conductor, does not. True, false, true, true, false. Filament, source both gold, silver. Okay. Here act as the connecting walls. Part 1 metal cap positive terminal, part 5 zinc case negative terminal. 2, 3, 4, 5 you may write. From here in this page you may write all these things are given here. Okay. Now next thing, the complete path through which a current can flow. Breaks or completes the electric circuit. These are insulators and does not electric current. Water is a good conductor of electricity. Okay. The bulb may be fused, connections may be loose. Okay. Here try to understand in these questions. Here separate out the devices listed below into categories that usually work with either batteries or mains only. 3 means that is 3. Kettle is running with the help of mains only. Iron press is running with the help of mains only. So I have written answer second means this batteries, and first radio means either batteries or mains. Okay. First means either batteries or mains. Here I have drawn this figure. Try to write this thing in the book or in copy you may answer. Okay. And also some questions has left, but before that I want to discuss value based question. Positive attitude and responsible, filament of the bulbs gets heated up, done. Okay. E first I have already discussed about answer of E first. Answer of E first is here. It has 3 main parts from here to here. You have to write and you may add or subtract any line. Okay, there is no problem. And question number 5. Conductors, materials through which electricity will pass, silver, copper. Insulators, material through which electricity will not pass. Example, plastic, wood. Okay, try to understand and try to write all question answers. Okay. And it means this chapter question answer has provided in this video also. Okay, one thing I want to share, please subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.